Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung voicemail not loading in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is clear app cache and data. For that, what you'll have to do is simply head over to your quick settings and then head over to settings on your device. From here, what you can do is scroll down and then tap on apps. Once you're inside apps, simply head over to search and then search for the phone app in the search bar. Once you are inside the phone app settings, what you'll have to do is scroll down, hit storage, clear the cache of phone app, and try again. The other thing that you must do is reset your network settings. For that, what you'll have to do is simply head back over to settings on your device and then search for reset in the search bar. Tap on reset network settings and then hit reset network settings one more time and then hit reset settings. After that, you can simply head over to your phone app on your device, tap on the three dots at the top right of your screen, open up settings, tap on voicemail and test your voicemail. Also, do make sure that your carrier has voicemail enabled. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.